Hello, so this is the demo video of how to use Delta Stim 03. So here's the switch, so let's turn on the machine, and that's how you put the strap on. First take some ultrasound gel and put it where you want to do therapy, like this. Now take the straps like it's channel 1, paste it like this, and now take the straps, so the straps go like this. That's how you paste the straps. And this is the timer, so let's increase the timer first. And these are the different kinds of modes, and here's the information of every mode, like 2 Hz, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So it means in A the current goes like this in a single form. In burst mode it goes like this, then take rest, then again, then rest. And in random it goes from lower to higher. So you can choose different kinds of modes as per your choice. And here's the frequency. You can use 2 Hz, 20 Hz, 40 Hz. So now let's start the therapy. Increase the intensity a little bit. Don't go fast, go slow. As you can see, and when you start feeling pain, stop there, don't go much higher. Set the current as per your capacity, and it can be used on different parts of the body. So thank you. This is the tutorial for Delta Stim 03.